Hello to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. We'll speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. And this is the hourly time frame that we have here. And basically, this currency pair is in consolidation. It's trading at around 1.2, 180 mark, but we got this confirmed resistance at 1.2, 218. From the other side, we have a support where the market, where we got the most recent low, so around 1.2, 122. And there's this mini rising trend line of the lows, which is this morning acting like support. So two scenarios for him. Other market will find a beating from here and then try to break this resistance at 1.2, 218. And if the market can hold above, this can be a good sign for a potential test of 1.2 280 mark or 285 mark. And from the other side, if market can if we clear this mini rising trend line and hold below with weak reaction from buyers, then there is a chance for a retest of 1.2 120 mark. So we will see what will happen here. We also have the retail sales in the US, so it's a very important event today, so there is a potential lots of volatility around. So those are the two scenarios that I'm watching carefully on the British pound versus US dollar. Now, speaking of the gold market, as we spoke yesterday, got a strong impulsive rally and strong momentum kicked in, but that was basically last week. And market naturally went to the pullback, and now we can see that market is building a consolidation here. And so far, the buyers are in control, short-term speaking, and the scenario for this one, let's say the upside, if market can break this 1925, 1930 and hold above, that can be a good sign for the higher prices towards 1950. Now, if the market can aggressively break all the way down, so there is also this key area of support. If the market can break all this rising trend line and hold below, then this will be a chance for the lower prices towards 1848. There's also some alternative scenario if market just go down, find the support around this area here on the rising trend line, and then try to build higher from there. So those are some of scenarios that I'm watching around on the gold market. On the crude oil, we can see that there is this morning a fresh upside breakout of this most recent supply trend line. There is also support area where the market is rotating here. This seems like the most likely scenario in this example is potentially to revisit the previous day high at 88.26. And if there is even more higher prices in the bidding for resistance and hold above, there is even chance for the retest of 90.50 mark. Now the downside scenario will be in the case of if we break 85, 83, hold below, that can be a chance to go more here into the 84.50 area or even to the 83 mark. But in so far, most likely scenario based on the current price action in the morning and the levels around is the upside scenario. And on the Bitcoin, we basically had that breakout. We spoke about this potential rally. Market actually spiked higher into the 30,000 mark and rejected back and now building some kind of consolidation, trying to set a higher low. So even though there is this pin bar from yesterday, market actually managed to reach this resistance trend line for the previous swing lows. So you can see that there was a rejection there, so market closed in the middle. And today we see most like neutral day. But we start to build higher lows here. So if the market can attack this pin bar and hold into this pin bar, there is a potential scenario that we can take this pin bar and then attack this 31,200 to 31,150 mark. but only if we can hold into this pin bar area and try to take this whole pin bar area. Otherwise, this can go lower. And in that case, if this can go lower, and if we can take the 26,500 and hold below, then there is a chance for the rotation back down to the 25,000. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and speak to you from tomorrow morning.